I mentioned when we had lunch, and I mentioned this on a prior podcast episode, an interview with a psychiatrist at Stanford named Anna Lemke, that I was speaking to a Nietzsche scholar, and I told him that I was interested in a vegan or a vegetarian diet. And when I told him this, he kind of looked away and shook his head, and he said that what I should do, and I would be much happier if I did this, was relish the dominance we have over other animals. And
yes, I know. Yeah,
yes.
You mentioned that.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that if I could, at the very least, become utterly indifferent to the suffering of animals, since this is happening everywhere, I would be a much happier person.
Of course. You would be happier. But so what? You could be happier in the Matrix too.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, that doesn't mean anything. Happiness has to have a kind of value component. Mm-hmm. And, I could be happy by getting an injection. Would I? Would I go into the experience machine of Bob Nozick? Probably wouldn't, because that's not genuine. There's something important about genuineness in this context. It's difficult to define. But first of all, I don't think we have dominance over the other animals. I mean, we are stronger. But in many ways, as Nietzsche keeps saying, every animal is perfect in its own way. Mm-hmm. There are animals that are not as clever as we are. They don't have language, and we can mostly kill them all. But the fact that we are stronger is not enough of a reason to say, therefore, we can exploit them. That's the bad interpretation of the will to power. It's the interpretation that Nazis often use.